Are we in focus? Hi everyone. Oh, sorry, am I boring you? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new. Winnie says hi too. Thank you. Thank you for the kisses. Before we get started, I just want to mention, if the angles and stuff keep changing, I broke my tripod, so we're balancing on 2 tubs of protein at the moment. Mind your business. I do apologise if you can hear Sam as well. Lockdown equals game mode all the time. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, hi. We've finally made it to 600 subscribers. I don't know if we did in my last video or not, but I just want to say thank you. It's only a little milestone, but I'm trying for 2021 to be a bit more consistent, so fingers crossed. We're back on the bedroom floor. So today I'm bringing you a styling / try on haul of the Syd And Ell collection within the style. I can't even tell you how unreal this collection looks. I mean, I haven't opened anything yet, but I just had to get my hands on it and show you guys. I didn't get everything from the collection, obviously, because your gal's bank account cannot do that. I grabbed a few pieces that I feel like you could mix and match with things that might already be in your wardrobe. I just can't believe how quickly some of the stuff sold out. Like, I bought one of the items in a size 4 because every time I kept clicking a size to add it to the basket, it just, you know, kept saying it was out of stock. I'm usually a size 8, but I've kind of gone both ways. I've gone smaller and I've gone larger for some items, just obviously due to the stock availability and the way that I want it to fit. If you're excited for the haul, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So grab your cup of tea, grab some biscuits, or grab a Monster if you need a bit of energy like me. Let's get into the video. We're just gonna go straight into the bag. Oh Winnie, it's okay. Oh, everything looks so nice. The colourway of Syd's collection was just a dream, can I just say, and I've got quite a lot of the chocolatey stuff. The girls both said how unreal the quality was, so I'm really excited to see, you know, what's what. So the first piece from the collection is this stunning sweater jumper. Very cute. It's like a bluey grey kind of colour, and it just says West Coast California on it, so it's got a running American theme through the collection, which I absolutely love. It feels really nice actually. I do like my hoodies, my jumpers and stuff like that to be quite oversized, but I don't know what size I got this in, but it doesn't look huge. I got this in a 10 to 12. I absolutely love it. This would look really cool styled with some joggers or some jeans, which I've also picked up from the collection. I think she styled it with like a white long sleeve top underneath, but I think like the cool turtleneck ones would look good. So this sweatshirt was £25. I think that's really good considering the quality of the jumper. You just can't go wrong. I think if it had matching joggers, like the same colour, that would be unreal. I love a matching tracksuit. I've had a pizza break and I can't breathe. This is cute. Give it a little tuck. I love doing that with jumpers right at the front. See, this isn't as oversized as I would have wanted. I do like things a little bit bigger, but I definitely think it is very cute. It feels very vintage actually as well. I've just put it with these trousers, which Elle does have some similar in her collection. I've just popped on a pair of boots as well. Now I kind of wish I had a little roll neck long sleeve top to go underneath, but I don't have one. Just for obviously reference, this is the size 10 and this is where it goes on me. But yeah, I'd like to tuck these under the bra. Yeah, I've just popped on a little cap. I feel like this is very American vibes. And then my Balenciagas. Obviously more for the warmer months, but I definitely feel like you could get away with it now with a massive oversized puffer coat. So next in the collection is this little bodysuit. I really like this colour. It's quite a dark grey, as you can obviously see. I feel like I haven't seen this anywhere. It's like a ribbed detailing as well. I picked this up in a size 8, which is my usual size, so I'm hoping it fits quite nicely, and it has a thong sort of back so you don't get that, what's it called, VPL, visible pant line. It looks really high-waisted. I love the scoop neck detailing as well. I feel like at the minute loads of places are sort of bringing out things with square necks or like low V-necks, but you don't see a lot of scoop necks. Hopefully this fits quite nicely because you could style this so many different ways. So with joggers, jeans, leather trousers. So the bodysuit was £15, which I feel like is fairly reasonable for a decent quality bodysuit, and the ribbed fabric and just the quality of it is really, really nice. The bodysuit is a little bit small, I'm not gonna lie. I wish I'd gone a size up. I thought it was very true to size, but like, I'm not a big fan of this, but I do think it looks cute. There's not a lot of stretch to it, so if there are any still left in stock, I'd definitely go up a size, but I've just styled it with these flared trousers. I do think it looks very cute, and it is a nice colour. I just don't think it's my colour. Okay, this has just depressed me. I've just put these jeans on and a pair of heels. That makes me want to go out. I definitely think it is a good like night out bodysuit. I'm one of those people that likes to pull sleeves over my hands, but I literally can't pull it. It's so tight. I'm so good because I love this. So sticking with the L collection, I actually picked up a pair of jeans. So these looked absolutely unreal. I'm not being funny. How nice. I love the seam down the front. Like, I don't own a pair of jeans like this, and they're a straight leg jean, which it's not always my favourite because they just don't flatter me that well. We'll see how these go. Just like looking at the shape of them, they go in at the waist and then they come out. Can you see that? I don't know if that's just my imagination, but it comes out like this, which I feel like is very flattering. There's no stretch whatsoever. I did watch their video when they were showing the whole collection, and they did say they are like a jean material, so there isn't any stretch in them. So I'm hoping they fit, 'cause I did get my usual size in a size 8. I just feel like these go with like every single thing in the collection. You just can't go wrong with a pair of blue jeans. Just look at that waist. Dame girl, she snatched. These were £30, which again, very reasonable for a pair of jeans. And I feel like just the seam down the middle just brings them together and just gives them a bit of summer, you know? Yeah, love those. These jeans are so tight. Okay. And relax. Yeah, I do wish I listened to Elle's advice and sized up on these. They are that really tough denim that does not stretch. They're so like vintage looking. I just put this little top on, chuck on a little cardigan, Balenciagas. Can you see that? Oh my god, how cute! This is definitely how I'd style it, or with a bodysuit tucked in. That's what the back looks like. Very snug on the booty. I do really like these. I thought they wouldn't look that nice, but they really do. Oh my god, the colours, you just can't go wrong with a pair of blue jeans. I just feel like this looks so cute. Oversized hoodie and jeans is definitely a win. Okay, so the next piece I'm flipping obsessed with. Can you see that? This is beautiful. So, I'm not being funny, but this is stunning. And I love that it's like a chocolate brown, because chocolate brown at the minute is just a bit of me. I'm loving it. And this will just go with so, oh my god, that is so soft. I don't think I actually own a half zip sweater, so I'm really excited about this piece. I picked it up in a size 10. This would look so nice tucked into those jeans. There's also another item in this collection that they look amazing with, the long chocolate joggers, which I'm going to show you in a minute. We're in lockdown, so chilling at home. These items are absolutely perfect. Oh, and this was £30. It's nice thick quality, so I definitely think that is worth it. Me and Winnie are really, you know, matching right now. Just paired my Balenciagas with this look, but I feel like you could definitely wear some cool boots with it. This is literally unreal. And obviously you can also wear it done all the way up. Oh my god, that looks so cool. I freaking love this look. Oh my god, I just feel like this vibe, oh my god. So next Oh, the chocolate joggers. Oh, holy crap, they look long. You guys are only 5'3", hun. I know you guys are tall, but Jesus. Hopefully they'll fit and they'll look really good with a chunky trainer or a chunky boot. The waistband is stunning, and these are actually real drawstrings, which we do appreciate. This colour is just, oh, to die for. Obviously the chocolate colour is in at the minute. I did pick these up in a size 8, so these are my usual size. I'm just loving the wide leg bottom. It's definitely something that I don't own because nothing ever fits my legs. Did you just lose your game? Yes. Yes. Totally forgot what I was saying, but I love these trousers. I feel like they look really, really good with just a bodysuit underneath. These would look stunning with that Miami Beach white zip down sweater, and then obviously the matching and bum, 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 bum. Oh, those were £22, by the way, which I think is really, really good. This is amazing. Obviously the trousers are very long. They're so nice fitting. Oh my god. Do I see a booty? They're so flattering. I flipping love these. I'm just in love. Ow. I just feel like you can't go wrong with like a chocolate on chocolate vibe, you know? What about chocolate on chocolate on chocolate? You could wear the trousers with anything. I think they'd look better with like a cropped jacket. Oh my god. This is freaking oversized. Yeah, we love her. This is one thing from the collection I was like, need that. You can really tell the difference in thickness with this hoodie compared to the other two. Oh my god, it is so soft inside. I just love the print on the front. It's not a white, it's like a sort of creamy colour. I picked this up in a size 12, and obviously this was meant to be oversized anyway, so they said just to stick to your usual size, but damn, I'm glad I went up. It's so slouchy, so beautiful, and this was £30. For the thickness, the quality, it's just beautiful, and I just know with this lockdown I'm gonna wear this to death. Okay, I'm not being funny, but this is my favourite piece. Oh my god, it is so soft inside. Obviously this hoodie can be styled with the wide leg joggers. I'm just living for this vibe, like Yeezy Who. I'm gonna live in this every day from now on. I love this. It just goes with everything. These colours match so well. Any colour cycling shorts, to be fair, would go with this. Might need to invest in a chocolate pair. Smashed it. Following on from that is yet another chocolate piece, but it's just the V-neck. Again, loving the slouchiness of it. I think I picked it up, yeah, I picked it up in a size 12 as well. It's quite like a boxy fit. Oh, it does say that. It's a batwing boxy sweater, and it was £22. You could style this with literally anything and it would look beautiful. I feel like the V-neck is so different in a sweater. I mean, I don't own anything with a V-neck like this, and I just think it's very different, very versatile. Winnie's trying to enter the room again. But yeah, obviously wearing this with the wide leg joggers, that's how the set is supposed to come. And again, the quality is unreal. I've just tucked it again into my bra because that's like my favourite thing to do with a hoodie. This is so cute. Look at the little batwing sleeves. Ah! Tuck it in as well. Let's tuck it. Okay, I'm not being funny, but this is stunning. I feel like when you have it tucked in, it really looks like a jumpsuit, which I really, really like. I can just see myself chilling in this around the house. Probably not going for dog walks, and that ain't it. That's gonna go straight in the mud. This is another way I'd probably style this as well. Any leather bottoms would go. I just think it looks really cool. You can't go wrong with leather, you can't go wrong with chocolate, and a pair of black boots. Love it. Last but not least is, one sec. Are you as in love with this as I am? Why can't I get the zipping done? What the hell? Just look how stunning. This is the item that I picked up in a size 4, which I'm a bit concerned about because it does look flipping tiny, but maybe I could just have it like a bit fitted and wear it with some high-waisted trousers. I mean, I do have really short arms anyway, so fingers crossed it should fit okay. But the quality of this is so nice. I'm loving the colour. It's got the little 1997 on the front, the 17 on the sleeve, which I just love it. and then obviously Miami Beach on the back. The fabric of this is like borg. Is that what it's called? I don't know how you say it. That's what the fabric is like, and I just think this is so beautiful. I just feel like it's very like Grease vibes, you know? I'm a bit gutted though because the zip is stuck. I can't undo the zip at all. Like, I'm gonna have to put it on over my head or something, because I'm just gonna show you so you can see. It genuinely won't like open. It's a bit of like glue or something that's stopping it from opening back up. This like contrast of fabrics, the colour, it was £55, which I do think is really decent for like a coat bomber. Say this was at like Zara or, you know, Pretty Little Thing, it would probably be a little bit more pricey, so I feel like it's not too bad. I'm not being funny, but I feel like a fucking bad bitch, okay? Are you seeing this? I'm not being funny, but this is the size 4, and I feel like, okay, it's not oversized, but like, I thought it was gonna be really small. I feel like this could pass for like a cropped, like this could fully pass for like just a cropped coat. Try and get your hands on this, it is stunning. I feel like this is just such a vibe with the boots. Excuse all the clothes on the floor, but this looks so sick. You could go for the open look with some jeans and some trainers. Definitely worth the £55. However, I do obviously wish I could have got a bigger size, but you know, still cute. That is absolutely everything that I got from the collection. Let me know what your favourite piece was down in the comments. I feel like I love all the chocolate stuff. The chocolate stuff is just a dream. The girls have smashed it. I have been watching Syd And Ell now for a good couple of years, and I just think their style's unreal. This perfectly matches like their vibe. Overall, I feel like it's an affordable collection in the style of just so, they're just bringing out collection after collection. When they're bringing out Naomi Jenness, which by the way, I have bought 90% of the collection, but I haven't filmed the video yet. So yeah, stay tuned for that haul as well. I know some of the pieces are still in stock, so I'll try and link down below anything that is still available. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you soon. He loves ya, don't we? Yes. Winnie has her own Instagram now, so feel free to go check her out. She's a little diva over there, aren't you? Oh good. Bye guys.